Today we are talking about real numbers, okay? That is rational and irrational numbers. So we work in a system, the real numbers system, until you get to high level math, okay? And within the real numbers, there are rational numbers and there are irrational numbers, okay? And rational numbers are whole numbers, integers, so that's positive and negative whole numbers, that is fractions, and decimals that can be written as fractions. Okay, anything that can be rewritten as a whole number would classify as rational numbers. Your irrational numbers are going to be numbers that cannot be written as a fraction. Okay, so that's going to be decimals that continue without a pattern for a ever and ever and ever, and they never stop and they never repeat a pattern. Okay, that's going to be your square roots or cube roots that are not perfect. So for instance, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 5 doesn't have an exact whole number answer, so that would be considered irrational. Okay, so let's take a look at some other examples down here below. 1.6 repeating. Okay, 1.6 repeating. Now, 1.6 repeating can be written as a fraction. We learned the other day that we can do 1 and then 6 over 9, which simplifies to 1 and 1/3. Okay, so this can be written as a fraction, so it is rational. Okay, the number 17 is a whole number, so it is rational. Okay, you also see here in the word rational, there's the word ratio, and ratios can be written as fractions. Okay, square root of 15. Okay, there are no two whole numbers that multiply by itself to equal 15. So 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, and the square root of 15 falls in between those two. So this is irrational. Okay, 1/12 is a fraction, so this is a rational number. Okay, square root of 49 simplifies to a whole number. It is 7. 7 times 7 is 49, so this is rational. All right, now pi is one you will see a lot. It is 3.14159265358 dot 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 dot. It continues on and on and on forever and ever and ever, and it never repeats a pattern. Okay, so this is irrational. Now, number 7's tricky. We have square root of 5, which is irrational because it's not a perfect square. But when you have a number divided by itself, that's going to equal 1. So that itself is rational. Okay, there's several others that you could try down here. Okay, but that is the basis of it.